everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Dynamax DX3. So the Dynamax is a very unique super seat. It's made on the Freightliner chassis, but they use a Detroit diesel engine. It's 375 horsepower with 1,050 pound-feet of torque. This unit can tow 20,000 pounds. That's rocking and rolling there. You do have a nice seamless fiberglass front cap. Dynamax DX3, awesome. 22.5-inch tires, and then look at this sick paint job. I call it like a very liquid paint job. The paint job looks fantastic, and the paint job was designed by the best RV painter in the industry, Dean Laux. Let's take a look at the inside. Inside, you can see that it does have a smaller bunker over the cab, but I don't mind that because it makes it easy to access the actual cockpit area. Right over here is your Thomas Paine Collection theater seats. And then directly across is your fireplace, and you do have a TV that comes up on a televator. Right over here in the kitchen area, we do have nice kitchen countertop, big refrigerator, induction, and then right over here is your dinette area. And then coming all the way back here, we do have bunk beds. Each bunk bed does have its own private TV. And then here is a nice little bathroom. Radius shower there, sink there, and a toilet right there. Everything that you need for the comforts of home. But it's not home unless there's a stackable washer dryer. And here it is, splendid stackable washer and dryer. Very nice. King size bed back here. I like the windows. And then check this out. 2 big wardrobe spaces, storage behind TV, and 9 dresser drawers. 8 for my wife and 1 just for me. Plenty of storage in here. But that's it, guys. That's a quick 2-minute tour of the Dynamax DX3. If you guys want to see the full review of this, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you know that this is a unit for you, make sure you use our links down below, and a member of our Dynamax Super C team will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.